Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I woke up this morning and my koi longfin had babies. She had about 20. I'm gonna try to show you all. I hope you enjoy. Love you out there. Uh, these are my fish along with my big snails. They're called bunnies because of their or rabbits because of their long antenna. But this is the mother koi longfin, and she has like 20 babies in here. If you can see them all floating. It's a miracle. She had babies, and I'm so happy to see them there. I hope you enjoyed my short little video showing you the newborn baby uh, koi fish. The dad's over here. Uh, um, those are the rest of my guppies. They're so tiny and some are different colors, so we'll see what they end up looking like. I hope you enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Love you all out there. Hope you enjoy. God bless.